So we're heading out this morning, just did some RC crawling, packed up the tent. Nice weather this morning. Get the two front latches first, and then we just pull it back down. There you go, that's it. Today we're deep in Arizona's backcountry, exploring ghost towns and old cabins with a ton of history and character. We also hiked to a cave, and my buddies dropped me off to stay for a few days at an old rock cabin. So let's mob. But first we've got this good little crawl here out of this little waterfall, so we can take a cool line up here, I'm sure. Look at this guy. Yeah.
Dude, there's a herd of donkeys coming right at us.
That's awesome, seeing wild donkeys like that. So cool, there's so many of them. Wow, there's probably like 40 of them at least, 30, 40 of them. What a fun desert trail with saguaros and Ultra 4 style, this would be great. Cool. Yeah.
This is not the survival stuff.
Looks like it was this guy's cabin.
Huh?
Looks like it was this guy's cabin. All these tools. These tools are. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Kids over there, so we're gonna park and mob to the cave. The dogs will know where to go. Good old Blue with his Rex specs. Carter's like, oh, I want some of those. Pretty neat.
It would be so amazing if I found an Indian arrow.
Yeah, an arrowhead. I hope it's deep enough that I need this headlamp. Look at that. Dang. How deep does it go?
Look at all the rocks. Look at all that.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Is that ice?
Cool. The calcium deposits, maybe?
Touch it.
Wow.
Sorry.
Stalactite.
Stop to break them.
They look like coral.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah, very holy ground we're walking on.
Wow.
Holy.
Guys, look at it.
Holy cow. No way, you guys. This trail's so cool. The cabin's right there. This is like a steep trail, too. Nice switchback to it. This is good stuff, dude. Look, the cabin's right there. Look at that, you guys. Rock cabin. And then you can just camp right here. Alright, let's go towards. Alright. Wow, look at the views. It's so epic. Dang, this is pretty nice. Look at this wood floor.
Somebody's been here. Clogged this all up so the big spots are right over there.
Look at this. Wow. This wood floor is nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
I found a mouse in here.
Little bar here. It's made out of rocks. Makes me think I should build a rock cabin like this at the property. Up there. Big rock.
Look at this one.
Whoa, there's a mine. I don't remember them saying there was a mine. I want to go in there. But my friends hiked up the mountain. They don't know that I'm going to go in the mine. Would you go in the mine? I think I'm still going to go in the mine. Oh, it's so weird looking. It just turns around right at the end there. So we're looking for geodes and crystals up here. What up? You guys are right there. Nice. I think I found the mother lode. Well, at least if I can break this one open. It's got a hole through here and then also up through right here is where I really saw. Look at that, we got it. Wow. Good job, girl.
We have so much.
Got in there.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool? I just broke that open. It was actually like a little cave. This is the best.
Can I carry that one that you found?
This?
No. The other one.
This?
No, the
Oh,
other
yeah.
one that you found.
Oh, crystal geodes.
It is?
So I'm gonna take this whole rock. David and Memphis heading out. You can just see their truck over there, maybe not even. And we are gonna camp at the rock cabin solo. First time solo camping in like 4 months. Without Julie, I wish she was here to see this, but I'll bring her back here. Camp right next to this rock cabin. Isn't that neat? So let's pop the tent.
The wild coat dog finds a resting place in front of an old homestead.
She loves it.
She feels it is necessary to lay in front of the doorway to welcome any potential visitors.
Man, it is really peaceful around here. Those flies are the loudest thing around. Oh my gosh. Fighter jets. This is like Top Gun, you guys. No way. It's totally like Top Gun stuff right here, you guys. There they both are. Look at that. How cool is that? I'm actually able to zoom on it. Yes. Heck yeah. It's one of the things you see camping at rock camp. The rock cabin. How cool is that, Cody girl? Isn't that cool? Cody Beans?
Well, thanks for watching this episode. Tune in for the next episode where I'm going to give you an update on the Bison Overland camper for my Jeep Gladiator. It's coming fast, and I give you a ton of information in the next video like you've all been waiting for. So thank you for being patient. We'll see you then. Make sure to like and subscribe, and of course, comment what you think. Really, the only question is, are you down to mob?